And now to a developing story on the growing controversy over Essure, a small metal device used to permanently prevent pregnancy.
We first told you about Essure in May after local women contacted 9 on Your Side, claiming this device has led to health issues. Now, a federal judge is awaiting a reply from Essure's parent company, Bayer Pharmaceuticals, in response to a lawsuit claiming the company committed fraud during the approval process. 9 on Your Side's Ricky Mitchell has been investigating this story and joins us now with an update.
Guy, the first lawsuit against the FDA-approved Essure device was filed last year in Philadelphia. Bayer then filed a motion asking the judge to dismiss the lawsuit based on the fact that Essure's pre-market approval protects the company from lawsuits. But just this week, the original law firm in this case filed this 145-page response to that motion, alleging the company committed fraud and shouldn't have that protection.
Every single one of us feel that we are now slowly dying every day.
Crystal Hughes says since she had the Essure procedure in 2009, she experiences intense stabbing pains almost daily, coupled with joint pain, migraines, and stomach issues. The device is offered as an alternative to women who want to have their tubes tied. During the procedure, a doctor inserts a small metal coil into each fallopian tube. The body forms scar tissue around the coils, blocking the tubes. The FDA has received more than 4,800 adverse event reports since the device went to market in 2002, and a Facebook page dedicated to the issue has more than 17,000 members. But Bayer says they have sold 750,000 Essure kits worldwide. Now the company has to respond to fraud allegations.
So there's a motion, a response, and then a reply.
Sarah Showard is a personal injury attorney who focuses primarily on drugs and medical devices, though she's not taking any Essure cases because Bayer is protected from litigation. But if a Florida law firm can prove that the company violated the conditions of Essure's approval, law firms around the country could start taking cases.
Fraud is a pretty high standard. Now, they haven't established that yet in this case, but they have made some very serious allegations. If those are proven, I could see that they would lose the protection, and they should. I mean, if they're being dishonest and they're not reporting all of these injuries.
So Bayer has until June 30th to tell the judge whether or not they want to reply to that 140-page response that contains allegations like underreporting adverse events and, quote, deceptive marketing. If Bayer says, yes, we want to reply, the judge will then set a date for when that reply needs to be finished. Now, after that, it will be in the judge's hand to issue a ruling. We did reach out to Bayer for this story. We have not received a response yet, but they have responded previously in our coverage, and they've said all of the data they've looked at and analyzed shows that Essure is safe and effective.
And the women who are affected by this are very passionate.
Yes, very strong. They're very social media savvy. And yes, they're very, very passionate. They just want this device recalled.
They want to get the word out. Okay, Ricky, thank you.